Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Facebook identity confirmation failed business manager pro ads. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook identity confirmation failed business manager pro ads, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this page you will click for Facebook here and you will enter. After that, in this page you will go to click force stop. After that, in this page you will go to click storage, and then in this page you will enter to clear cache. After that, you will go to click clear data, and when you will end this you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.